In today's video, we're diving into the Morris Minor 2025 model, a car that has made waves with its nostalgic charm combined with modern upgrades. Let's explore every detail of this incredible vehicle, from the exterior and interior design to its performance and pricing. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply curious about this unique take on a classic design, this review will cover it all. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The Morris Minor 2025 model retains the iconic, vintage look that has made the Morris Minor a household name since its original release in 1948. The rounded, curvaceous body remains as charming as ever, but there are modern updates, making it a more aerodynamic and practical ride. The body panels are made of lightweight materials, improving fuel efficiency without compromising on strength. The front grille now features a more refined, angular design, with LED headlamps that add a sleek, modern touch while preserving that old-school feel. The signature circular headlights have been slightly revamped, with a sharper profile and contemporary lighting elements that make the car stand out on the road. The 2025 model also introduces larger alloy wheels, giving the car a more substantial, yet still agile presence. The rear of the car now comes with a spoiler and revised tail lamps, which enhance its sporty look, giving it a more dynamic appeal without losing the vintage essence that Morris Minor fans love. When we step inside, the interior of the Morris Minor 2025 really shows the marriage of classic design and modern technology. You'll immediately notice the well-crafted leather seats that combine comfort and style. The dashboard features an elegant retro-inspired design, but integrates a digital touchscreen display. The modern touch controls are seamlessly incorporated into the classic dashboard layout, making it easy to access everything from music to navigation. It's a perfect blend of the old and new. One of the standout features inside is the new infotainment system. The car is equipped with a 12-inch digital display that shows real-time information about the car's performance, navigation, and even access to smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This means you'll get the best of both worlds, a nostalgic driving experience with all the conveniences of modern technology. The seats themselves are highly comfortable, with adjustable settings to ensure a tailored fit for a range of body types. There's also a decent amount of space in the rear for passengers, though it's a compact car, so don't expect too much legroom. However, the trunk has been made more practical, offering a decent amount of space for luggage or groceries, which is great for everyday use. Under the hood, the Morris Minor 2025 offers impressive performance. The car is powered by a hybrid powertrain, combining a small gasoline engine with an electric motor. This eco-friendly setup ensures that you get a good balance between power and fuel efficiency, with the hybrid nature of the car allowing for electric-only driving at lower speeds, which is ideal for city driving. On the road, the Morris Minor 2025 feels surprisingly nimble, thanks to its compact size and lightweight construction. It handles corners with ease, and the suspension offers a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road effortlessly. In terms of power, the 2025 model delivers around 150 horsepower, which is more than enough for daily driving, and it accelerates smoothly. The car's quiet operation is another highlight, as the electric motor handles low-speed driving with minimal noise, while the gas engine kicks in for faster speeds. You'll also appreciate the regenerative braking system, which helps recharge the battery as you slow down. As for safety, Morris has made significant strides with the 2025 model, incorporating advanced driver assistance features such as lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The car's safety rating is expected to be top tier, thanks to these systems working in tandem with the sturdy, lightweight body. Now, let's talk about the price. The Morris Minor 2025 model comes with a price tag that sits in the mid-range for a hybrid vehicle of this size. Expect to pay around $30,000 and for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $40,000 and, while that might sound like a lot, you're getting great value for the combination of nostalgic design, modern features and hybrid performance. Plus, with the rising demand for electric vehicles, the hybrid engine should help you save money on fuel in the long run. In conclusion, the Morris Minor 2025 is a delightful reinterpretation of a classic British car, combining the charm and character of the original with cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly performance. Whether you're drawn to the exterior design, the comfortable interior, or the impressive hybrid performance, this car is a unique offering in today's market. It's ideal for those looking for a compact, stylish car that doesn't compromise on modern features. If you're considering purchasing one, it's definitely worth checking out in person to experience its blend of the old and the new. That wraps up our detailed review of the Morris Minor 2025 model. Let me know in the comments what you think of this revamped classic. Would you consider adding this car to your collection or your daily commute? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates.